The strategy I'm going to show you works on all time frames, but if you want my personal take, I like it the best on the gold 15-minute chart. That's where I've seen the cleanest signals and the setups that makes the most sense. You can use it on other assets too, but gold 15-minute chart is my go-to when I'm testing things. Alright, let's jump into the setup. The first thing you need is the Ichimoku Cloud indicator from the TradingView. When you first load it, your chart is probably going to look chaotic with all the lines and the colors cloud everywhere. Don't stress, we're not using the whole thing. We're gonna simplify it down to just what matters. Open the Ichimoku settings. In the Input tab, leave everything on default. Don't touch those numbers. Now switch to the Style tab and uncheck everything except the conversion line and the leading span A. Those are the only two lines you need. Now your chart should be much cleaner. You'll see two lines. Blue is the conversion line. White is the leading span A. Here's how the basic signals work. When the blue line crosses up over the white line, that's a buy signal. When the blue line crosses down under the white line, that's a sell signal. Simple enough, right? But hold on, don't trade just yet. The problem is sideways markets. If you take every cross, especially when the market is choppy, you're gonna run into false signals. That's where beginners usually get frustrated. But before we add any filters, let's look at how these basic crosses play out. Here's a quick example. Blue line crosses up, white line below, that's a potential buy. Now look at this section. The lines keep crossing back and forth. If you traded every single one of these, you'd be losing a lot. That's why we hold off on trading until we bring in a confirmation. Alright, now the filter I like to use is the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's gonna tell us which Ichimoku crosses are actually worth trading. Add the MACD from the indicator sections on TradingView. By default, it has the MACD line, signal line, and histogram, but we don't need all of that. Open the settings. In the Input tab, change the fast link to 100. Then change the slow link to 200. This stretches the MACD to line up with our Ichimoku signals. Next, clean up the look. Go to the Style tab and uncheck everything except the histogram. We don't need the MACD line or the signal line, just the bars. Make it easy to read. I usually set the bars above 0 to green, below 0 to red, and neutral bars gray or white. Here's how it works. If the MACD histogram is green and above 0, that would be a confirmation for a bullish market momentum. If the histogram is red and below zero, that would be a confirmation for a bearish market momentum. If the histogram is white or flat, you don't trade, no matter buy or sell. This rule keeps you out of false signals and sideways market traps. Now let's walk through some trade examples. Blue line crosses up over white. Check the histogram. Green and above zero. That's a confirmed buy. Now, the blue line crosses down under white. Histogram red and below zero. Confirmed sell. Look at this sideways section. The Ichimoku lines keeps crossing, but the histogram is mostly white or flipping fast. None of these get confirmed, so we don't take any trades. This is exactly why adding MACD is so effective and powerful. Managing the trades is straightforward. Once a signal is confirmed, I enter at the close of the signal candle or the opening price of the next candle. A stop loss goes just past the recent swing point to limit losses if the market reverses immediately. Take profit is usually 1.5 times the stop loss size. For example, if the stop loss is $10 on gold, the target is about 15. That keeps risk and reward balanced. Here's another example. Blue line crosses up, MACD confirms green, entry at candle close, a stop loss under recent swing, target 1.5 times the stop, smooth trade. Sell setup, blue crosses down, MACD red, entry at candle close, a stop above the recent swing, target 1.5 times the risk. Clean execution both ways. And that's the complete strategy. Clean, simple, and it keeps you out of the noise.